Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm inside the fitting room, and this is an inside the fitting room. So this top was cute. It's really soft, but it didn't fit quite well, so I ended up getting a bigger size. The, oh my gosh, I really love this top. The little crisscross was really perfect. It didn't fit well on the other. So this sweatshirt was perfect. It was lightweight, and I love the message, of course. It's something that you definitely have to layer with, like, maybe, okay, you guys might not believe this, but I actually don't have a lot of red in my closet, so this was a perfect addition. I really love this sweater. It fits well. The color is awesome on my skin tone, and I ended up getting this one. I think I'm going to use this a lot with a lot of like the denim that I have, leggings and stuff like that. Okay, lastly was a kimono. Now this I didn't really plan on buying. I just was going to try it on to see how it fits, and it didn't fit that well. I needed it to fit a little looser. It was kind of tight in the waist, and I couldn't really belt it that well. So if it was a bigger size, I would have gotten it because I love kimonos.